Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix boot or BCD error in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to boot with Windows 10 DVD or pen drive, and after that you will get this screen. Now you have to click on next, and after that click on repair your computer. Now you will get this screen, so click on troubleshoot, and after that you will get one option is called command prompt. So click over there. Now I will get this window, command prompt window. So now you have to put few commands over there. So I will give you all the command to my video description. So the first command is bcd edit, and after that space, then slash, then export, then space, then c semicolon slash bcd underscore backup, and now press enter. So now as you can see, the operation is completed successfully. The next command is attrib space c semicolon slash boot slash bcd, then space, then minus h space minus r space minus s, then press enter from your keyboard. And after that you have to put this command is called run command, and after that space and then c semicolon slash boot, then slash bcd, then space bcd.old, and the last command is Bootrec space slash rebuildbcd, and after that press enter from your keyboard. Sorry, I have put it the wrong command. Bootrec space slash rebuildbcd, and press enter. So now it will take some time. After that you need to type over there A or Y, and after that press enter, and it will show like operation completed successfully. So after done, you have to restart your computer and it will fix your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.